It's Sarah from Altcoin Bus Ladies. It's a very good day. The market's not looking too bad. I'm quite pleased with how the whole situation is going on. And I've got a few, I don't want to say theories because that makes me sound like I'm some sort of a weird person, I always think. But I think that we've got loads of reasons why certain things are happening in the market right now. And I'm going to talk about it today. So guys, I'm going to be talking about an ICO that's recently been hacked. And there's been loads of hacks going on recently. And for example, in 2018, what I mean, and I'm going to make a separate video about it, explaining why crypto exchanges get hacked and how can we possibly even make ourselves safe from that. So stay tuned, subscribe to Combust Ladies if you haven't yet, so you can be notified when the video is up. And I'm also thinking of maybe doing a video following this ICO, KickICO, which I haven't actually heard of before. But it's been around in the news and I thought it's a good topic. So I'm going to make a video as well on how to spot a good ICO to a scam ICO to basically just a fraud. And that's going to be one of the videos that might come up this weekend. I'm going to be quite busy making videos. So guys, let me know in the comments what you would like me to review next, as I'm more than happy to do whatever you want. Obviously, doing the videos for you guys, so it's quite sensible, I think. So we currently got a market cap of 298 billion. It's good to see that the cryptocurrency total market cap is staying above 300,000, and that even though there's been some FUD going around, which we're also going to talk about today, the crypto seems to remain strong. And whether it's a series of different events that's leading to it, the fact remains the same that Bitcoin is currently at 8,229 and is up 1% in the last 24 hours. Basically, the whole crypto seems to be pulling back a bit, but it's not a massive pullback. I mean, VeChain, they had a massive pump yesterday caused by the airdrop, to which if you guys received some, I'm happy for you. I'm still waiting my tokens to be delivered to me. And once that happens, I'll be a happy bunny, like I think everyone will be. But you can see, for example, in the example of VeChain or Binance, that the pump, even though it's happening, it's the pullback is not as bad as it could be. Like, for example, if we look on Quantum had a great run and is just plummeted down over the last 7 days. So it's interesting to see how different cryptos react and different events, even though they might be going on, they're not really influencing the price. So let's get it on. Yes, VeChain will make everyone rich. That's what I think. And it's not professional financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy VeChain. However, I think it's a great project and it'd be nice to see if everyone invested into it. So if you guys thought of VeChain, I'm sure you're all happy bunnies like I am. But I'm getting really off topic and we're meant to be talking about KickICO. Basically what happened, they got hacked. As simple as that. And over $7 million has been stolen. And we're going to discuss what exactly happened. And they're approached these stolen funds. And they're actually wanting to give them back to people. How ethical is that? Like, I'm loving the whole idea of it. So far, so good. So, you know, there's always hackers who try and hack another cryptocurrency project. And this time, unfortunately, they successfully hacked a KickICO. The hackers were able to steal 70 million Kick, which has a market value of about 7.7 million exactly. And the hack comes barely 2 weeks after Banker, which is a decentralized exchange, for those of you who don't know, platform, which suffered a 23.5 million cyber attack. So we're not talking pennies are being stolen. These are money that could change anyone's life over here. So what exactly happened with the KickICO? So according to the statement released on their projects on the Medium's page, the attack occurred at 9 a.m. yesterday, and the suspected attackers gained control of the project smart contract by obtaining a private key, so allowing them to siphon coins from the wallet of users. So that is very unlikely what could have happened. And obviously with the full access to the project smart contract, the hackers were able to replace 40 different addresses with new spoof addresses containing the same amount of Kick tokens. And by doing so, the hackers didn't alter the supply of Kick tokens, hoping that such attacks would enable them to fly under the radar and just carry on doing it. Only the throughout investigation of the project team prevented the attack from being more catastrophic. And once alerted to the situation, the project team was able to arrest the situation, to assess the situation by replacing the comprised key with that one of a cold storage wallet. The announcement also advised users who lost funds in the attack to send an email to the project team. And basically, what is going on? I mean, the idea is that they made an offering of actually returning the stolen tokens. So it's very unlucky. The CEO, which is Antti Danilevski, wrote in a statement that after missing those tokens from the wallet after the KickCoin smart contract owner's private keys were compromised, several users' wallets were emptied, and obviously, which is a part of the hack, though the startup committed to returning tokens to all holders. So the firm first learned of the breach, and they basically couldn't find the 800 million tokens in their wallet. So the hackers tried to play it well, but it seems like what happened is basically the platform launched in mid-2017, I should probably say, and they raised 5,000 Ethereum in a pre-ICO funding round, and now hopes to raise a further 100,000 Ethereum during its token sale. However, it was a bit unlucky for them what happened. However, the plan is to reimburse affected KickICO users. And I'm looking at their announcement right now saying that we'll return exact amount of tokens to their alleged owners. We apologize for the inconveniences, but guarantee that the situation is under control. And the working theory of the internal investigators on the attack is that the recent price growth of Kick token caused the project to become like a potential target of hackers. And in the fortnight, the Kick coins, from what I know, rose from 4 cents to 12 cents, from 40 cents to 12 cents. Sorry, and it is disconcerting that the attack took place only because the hackers got access to the private key. And what do you think about the whole hack? Do you think this is the correct thing to do, to return the funds? I mean, I think it's totally understandable, and this is what should be done whenever. Because you invested into that project, you believed in them, so you should be more than likely be able to get your money back, right? And you guys have been saying that good, funds are safe, yes, so everyone's making still fun out of a Binance's joke about the funds. Have you guys actually heard about KickICO? Because I think it's quite an interesting concept that they're trying to present. But before we go to any further analysis of it, we're going to take a little break from the hack because it's a bit of negative news, I would say. And we're going to take a look on one of the articles I came across today on CoinDesks and about the volatility of market and how Facebook's loss, which if you guys follow me on Twitter at CryptoSara, you're probably aware of, could possibly become crypto's gain. So yesterday could be possibly one of the most memorable days for Facebook, especially the history of it, the shareholders, I should probably say. So the day saw the Facebook giant lose more than 120 billion in market cap. It's the biggest loss in one day for any US traded company. And the loss is a direct result of company's second quarter report on sales and user growth figures, which basically fell short of analyst projection, along with months of scandals and criticism regarding the data privacy, which I think everyone is aware of. So if we put this amount of money into perspective, Facebook lost the entire market cap of Bitcoin and 47% of the entire crypto market cap overnight. And some people say that crypto is a very volatile market. Well, I don't know, but would you want to invest in something that can just drop 20% in a day? It's quite funny. And I'm looking at loads of tweets over here saying that nature of Facebook's stock price led to some, draw comparisons with the crypto that everyone says is so bad. But I don't think it really is, because, a 20% drop in a stock market is quite bad. I'm not really into stock markets. I started off with crypto. I know lots of people started off first with stocks and then got into crypto, but I sort of skipped it and went straight to the crypto. And I'm sure lots of people have done it as well. Stocks never seem to me. But anyway, so what Facebook lost equals the market cap of Bitcoin. And let's not forget that there was also some problems that Winklevoss had some issues as well with the ETF approval. It's just a lot going on right now. And even though that the crypto is remaining strong and taking profits out of every situation, I think is the reason to celebrate, and possibly could be a sign of the fact that the crypto market finally matured. Because I know lots of people were saying that crypto is immature and it's basically highly overvalued. How could it be working? I mean, there are so many things you could say about crypto, but overvalued, I don't think, is one of them. And it's just good to see that crypto market is responding quite well, I would say. Bitcoin's staying strong over 8K, and it seems like we might be onto something, and I don't want to jinx anything because I've got a quiet tendency of doing that. However, guys, let me know what else happened today in the news, if I might have possibly missed, and you'd like me to discuss today. And for now, as you guys are thinking of questions, don't hesitate to ask me questions. I love questions. They give me an opportunity to talk. Actually, yeah, let's talk about something before you guys come up with something. Charles Hoskinson. If you guys watch my videos, I call him Bay because I think he's amazing. And there is a bit of a misunderstanding, I think, going around the cryptosphere about how he responded to MetaMask post and the request to contact the customer service. Loads of people saying that he shouldn't be so full of himself. However, what I think is the fact that you shouldn't ignore someone as important as Charles Hoskinson, because basically, if someone as important and skilled and just someone like Charles is trying to approach you, it's not because he's trying to get you to promote them or he's going to ask you how to install you to the Google extension or how the whole download process works. It's because they either want to improve it or they've noticed that something is wrong and they're trying to help you. It's the whole post, I think, has been strongly misunderstood. I mean, Charles got a great reputation of being one of the greatest people in the crypto market, and I think someone like that deserves a bit more than he received. And from what I've seen, he's sort of going back from crypto Twitter, I should probably say, and he's more approachable on Telegram. So if he ever hears Charles, you're great. I know people misunderstood you, but this is what, unfortunately, internet's become. And it's sad to see that crypto Twitter is becoming full of haters as well. But that's about it for me about this topic. Let's see what you guys have been saying in the comments for now. What's up, everyone? Fun to save you. Look at the moon. The real moon, it's enormous. What is a full moon? Like, I can't believe I'm actually trying to look outside the closed window. Yes, so basically the crypto market is crazy. Let's see if anything changed in the market cap today. If it's anything exciting. Oh, Bitcoin went up a little bit. 8234, up 118%. And let's see what actually, let's see what actually has been the strongest gainer of the last 24 hours. So we have PIVX actually up 13%. I don't really know why. So if you guys know what exactly happens, let me know. We've got Zencash almost 8%. Bitcoin Gold, 6%. ELF and Digibyte, it's all about 5-6%. So it's basically money coming into the crypto sphere. It's not any sort of a pump. It's not sort of an amazing announcement. It's just people basically investing in all of those great projects. And it's just good to see that the faith seems to be back. Everything seems to be going back up without any problem. And I think this sort of a stable growth is what might sort of push us towards the well-deserved bull run, because the bear market's been going for, I think, over 6 months now, and it's really boring. And I'm sure everyone will agree with me. So guys, if you're watching those videos, hit the like button, obviously, because there's more people watching than liking, actually. So we've got Mr. Riffin about Google Play Store banning crypto mining apps. So the thing with Electroneum is, I haven't really researched it, but that's just my opinion from thinking about it. So Electroneum was available for mobile mining on Google for Android phones. And now it's been released for iPhones on iOS as an opportunity to sort of mimic cloud mining. And they were thinking, it was so successful in their beta testing and the whole working, I'm one of those people, that they're thinking of spreading it across to Androids as well. So there's already been going something with the whole progress and thinking of going further from mobile mining to more cloud mining. And it's good to see that they're trying to resolve it somehow. And I don't think those events were sort of related, but they were preparing themselves for some sort of an improvement. And I think this ban might only push Electroneum to some sort of a further development of their mobile mining experience, which is purely what it is. So I hope, Mr. Riffin, that this answers your question about Electroneum. I'm not entirely sure what other apps are out. I mean, yeah, there are some, but Electroneum is probably the best example out there. So any more questions, guys? I see Mr. Riffin's loving Electroneum. Probably a bit too much. Many questions about Electroneum. So if you guys got any more questions, feel free to ask me them. So what do we have? What's Litecoin at, actually? Litecoin's actually number 7. So first EOS overtook Litecoin. Now Stellar with almost $1 billion market cap difference. So it's not a significant overtake. It's I'm not gonna say it because probably YouTube will ban me. Anyway, Litecoin is trading at $84. It's still below $100. And honestly, I can't believe in that. It's not professional financial advice, though, but it's a very good price. It's a price I didn't think Litecoin would get back to. I didn't think I'd see Ripple below 50 cents. God, no. God, no. I stocked up on some a long time ago, but me and Ripple is a bit of a different story, to be fair. Cardano, very good price. Stellar is really good, though. They had a lot of announcements recently and loads going on. Anyway, guys, it's getting really hot here. England's not dealing too well with the heat. Neither are my dogs. I can hear them complain a little bit, and it's getting really hot here. So apologies for that. And to all the people that have been claiming I'm doing videos naked, I am not. It's just very warm, and I tend to wear sports bras because it's just more comfortable and more weather appropriate. So if you guys are watching this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Altcoin Boss Ladies if you haven't yet. We've been doing absolutely amazingly recently, and it seems like you guys have been enjoying the videos because we're gaining more and more people. So make sure you share Altcoin Boss Ladies. If you think this channel deserves better, help us grow it. And the way I'll thank you will be by making better content on a daily basis. And I hope we can both benefit from that. So also follow me on Twitter at CryptoSara. I've been posting a lot of memes recently and just general motivational quotes. I'm sort of in this motivational mood recently. So if you guys like stuff like that, go check it out. And Altcoin Boss Ladies as well on Twitter, where you can just know when we're making a video. Because I don't always make the events official, or it's just a normal pre-made video. So let me know what you want me to review. I've got ideas for this weekend's videos. However, I do the videos for you guys, so let me know what you'd like me to review, basically. I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a great weekend, because, you know, Friday, the start of the weekend. And hopefully, I'll catch you all tomorrow. Have a good one.